Hey, what's up, guys? We got another custom today. Today we got these True Blue Jordan 3s. Today we're actually gonna give them a nice vintage treatment. I'm also gonna do some correcting on them as well too. These Jordan 3s are really nice because they actually have the Nike Air on them. But it looks like Jordan Brand, when they decided to, re-retro these to make them like the OG, there were some things that they messed up on. So I'm actually gonna do some corrections on it. We'll actually darken up the elephant print here, and then we're actually gonna give it a nice vintage treatment. So what we'll do is we'll take the white, it won't be a really bright white, we'll actually make it more of like a cream color, and then we'll yellow up the back tabs, and then we'll actually yellow up the actual rubber accents as well too. All right, let's start off with actually taking off these shoelaces real quick. And these sneakers are not that bad, they just need a quick cleaning, nothing too crazy. We're gonna start off with a soft bristle brush. This brush actually is really nice because it actually uses hog hair. It's a really old brush of mine. Actually, should probably upgrade. All the hairs are all splitting, but we'll start off with this. This is my favorite brush because it actually really lathers the sneaker. Let's get into it. Alright guys, next step, we're going to start doing the aging process. Aging process, what you'll need is sneakers, coffee. I go to the Dollar Tree, they have cheap coffee there. I paid $1 for this, and then you're going to need a large bucket just like this. We'll basically fill this container up with water. We'll submerge the actual sneakers in the actual water, and we'll also add our coffee as well too. Alright, so we got the sneakers inside there right now. I had to put a little extra weight because I guess these Jordan 3s, there's so much air in those air units. It just doesn't hold it down, so I put 4 little bricks inside the actual Jordan 3, and then I had put these big metal pieces, and I put everything in Ziplocs because I don't want anything to be, again, contaminating what we're doing. So let's see what happens. Let's give this 24 hours and let's see what happens. Alright guys, let's see what they look like. Let's see. I use a pillowcase. It's the best thing to use. You can see that they're sole to sole. Nice and tight and snug, like they're not gonna go anywhere. Got the shoelaces in here. I also got the insoles in here as well too. See that red? We're not gonna dry this. This is gonna be air dried. If you dry it, this will really damage the sneakers. If you go to dry it, it'll ruin the glue. It'll shrink the shoe. So, all right, let's see what they look like when they come out the bag. All right, let's get the shoes out. Cream color that we're going for. You can see that the midsole even gets creamed as well too. We'll have to hit the rubber components again and the back tabs because they don't really suit the actual rest of the shoe. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've already done the aging process. You saw that we actually used the Foxtrot dye for the rubber and plastic pieces. I think they came out pretty nice. Next, we're going to darken up this elephant print. The actual like 88 versions, when they're aging or whatnot, they're a bit, that elephant print from an 88 version is a bit more darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get some Angela's black paint, and then we're gonna do a wash basically. I'm not gonna put directly black paint on here. I'm gonna water it really well, dab it onto like a dry napkin, and we're gonna just really just give it a nice real light wash, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright guys. Guys, comment below, what do you guys think? You guys like lighter elephant print? Do you like that Jordan brand went to the lighter elephant print? Or do you guys like dark elephant print? How it originally was. Just curious. Comment below, what do you guys think? Old or new? How do you guys like it? Very curious to know. Alright guys, I think this step is done. Let's do it before and after real quick. Boom. Take a look at that. You can see the difference in the elephant prints. Look at the backs, you guys can see the difference between dark and light. Alright guys, elephant print is done. I did order some laces for these. We're waiting for them to get in the mail. I'm actually gonna do some correcting and some leather fixing. So these shoes came from the factory. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they have like this glue all over the side of them. So I'm gonna get all that glue off of them. This shoe has it, and it's actually in the same spot on the other shoe as well too. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a yellow, it's like in this area. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that up. I'm gonna first wipe it off, wipe it clean. I might have to repaint it, we'll see. I'm gonna use a little deglazer to take off that glue. But if not deglazer, I'm gonna try doing maybe a little bit more stronger acetone or something like that. So, this, you know what you do. Alright guys, bye. This. Let's take a look together. Alright, so here's some of that glue. Let's see if we can rub it off. Rub it off. Looks like it is coming off. I don't know if any of the paint's coming off. Usually paint will come off as well. You probably didn't see this glue on here until we put the coffee on it. Once we probably put the coffee on it, that's why it's probably showing up now. Looks like it's coming off good. Not bad at all. I don't think I'm gonna have to repaint it. I will refinish it though. Ooh, someone loves me. So the notifications. All right. Yeah, that glue came off nice. Yeah, I can't even tell. Take a look. Let's do that other shoe. Okay, remember? It's right here. You guys can see it. Right there. In this area. Clean it again. That's the other shoe. This one isn't as bad. What it looks like, honestly, they did the glue job on both shoes or whatever. They put them in the factory like so, and then they touched each other, and that's how the glue met each other, because it's in the same exact spot. Like literally. Like the inner wings right there. It's gotta be that. That's what I'm thinking. I think the glue was on that shoe, the one that we had a lot on there, and it transferred over to this shoe. So let me clean this one off real quick. This one looks good too. And that one's cleared as well. Okay. And then we'll again put a little factory finisher over it so that the paint doesn't get stained there. Yeah, that looks good. I'll probably check in some other light. My lighting's not the best here, but yeah. All right, guys. Let's jump to the future where I get the laces on these bad boys and they're done. All right, guys. Alright guys, finally the laces are here. I got two options, cream and oatmeal. This is the cream pair. I think I'm gonna go with the cream pair. I kind of like the cream pair. And here's the oatmeal. Tell me what you guys think. Think they came out freaking sick? Comment below. Thank you for watching again. Share if you guys like this to anybody who may like sneakers and stuff like that. But thank you guys for watching again. Again, comment below. Tell me what you guys think. Check out my IG. You guys can see deleted footage and also see, you know, my progress on what's my next customs and stuff like that. It's Matt Miggy. All right, guys. Thank you again for your time. Later.